Hey everyone, Evie here at Bluetimes Laser. Welcome back to my channel. We have gotten a couple of requests to cut some thick acrylic, so today we're going to be cutting and engraving some 1/8 inches acrylic on our 40 watts laser box system. The last time we cut acrylic, we didn't really care what the sides or the back side looked like, because we were only seeing the top side of the part, but today we want to make sure that every our part is clean and smooth on all sides. To do this, we're going to slow down on our cut and we're going to take a couple extra steps to remove the tick marks on the back side. When cutting thick acrylic for flame polish edge quality, we will want to whisk the material off the bat using these acrylic spacers. This is going to help remove those tick marks on the back side from the reflection of the honeycomb. First, we want to make sure we cut our part on the paper to see where we need to place the spacers. Now we will place our spacers along the inside edges of the part and around the outside to hold up our material. It is important that the spacers hold up the individual part as well as the block of leftover material, so nothing shifts during or after the cut. After we have the spacers in place, we want to cut the part one more time without the material on top. Now we'll put our material on top of the spacers. The material is secure on the spacers. Let's optimize our settings. Here is the file that we will be cutting today. So now I will send the dining tour over to EasyCAD2 using our selection export tool. For cutting 1/8 inch acrylic on the 40 watt laser, we will be going to set our PSI about 20. The PSI is low so we do not fog the acrylic. For etching our logo, we will make sure that our DPI is set to about 90%. We have the Bluetimes lens assembly in for this cut, as well as the white nozzle. Now we are prepared to engrave and cut the acrylic. So, alright, that's all we have for today's video. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or comments about flame polishing acrylic, please leave them down below. We will be happy to chat with you in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe to stay up to date with all things Bluetimes Laser, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys.